Birdcage blue and yellow, candles warm and windows black, tracing upturned smiles of portraits drawn to disappear. Flowers never talk, they never want, they never need. In a cradle gilded, they are left to rot, yet never bleed. Eyes of silver, mirror, mirror, thread on wood and steel. Keep what can be kept and heave to see which one will kneel. I've been told to wait, but why should there be silence? Dawning pretty ladies, weaving capes of golden, framing muffled faces. I can't be different, I can't be